What's up guys, Earl here with Tech, and Infinix has yet again released a smartphone that has a 6.95-inch display, MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, up to 8 gigs of RAM, and comes equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera. All this comes in the form of the Infinix Note 11s. We finally got our hands on it, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing first. Opening up the box, we are greeted with the unit itself. Setting it aside for now, and underneath it are the X Club membership pamphlet along with some paperwork. Underneath that, we have a free jelly case, USB-C cable, and the 33-watt power brick. Albeit made out of a polycarbonate material, the Infinix Note 11s looks elegant with its brushed aluminum-like effect on the back panel with a somewhat matte textured finish, making it not too prone to fingerprints nor smudge. It is relatively large and hefty due to its large display and battery, but even with that, it feels solid and robust. For buttons and ports, starting on the right side, we have the volume rocker alongside with the power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. On the left side, we have the triple card tray with a dedicated microSD card slot with support for up to 2 terabytes. Nothing can be found at the top, with down at the bottom are the 3.5mm audio jack, USB-C port, main microphone, and the loudspeaker. Overall, we are digging the design of the Infinix Note 11s. It looks elegant, sleek, very minimalist design, and even with its large form factor, it is pretty ergonomic too. Also, buttons are placed almost on the center of the frame, making it reachable even with small hands. The unit we have is in the Mithril Grey colorway, but it also comes in Symphony Cyan and Haze Green colors. Up front, we have a huge 6.95-inch IPS LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2460 by 1080, which equates to 387 ppi. Colors are vibrant and the screen is bright enough when used outdoors. The only gripe with it is we would like to have an AMOLED display instead of the IPS panel that we have on this device. Powering the Infinix Note 11s is a MediaTek Helio G96 chipset coupled with a Mali G57 MC2 GPU, up to 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. So far, performance is good when multitasking and casually playing games, but we are to put this device to its limits in our full review. Now, when it comes to cameras, the Infinix Note 11s comes with a triple camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel main, 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 16-megapixel front camera. Here are some sample shots that we got so far. As for software, it runs on Android 11 on top of XOS 10. As for battery, we have a massive 5000 mAh capacity with 33-watt fast charging. To wrap this video up, the Infinix Note 11s packs decent specs and cameras, not to mention it's got a large battery that can last you for days, well, of course, if you are not a heavy user. We are still to put the Infinix Note 11s to its limits, so do stay tuned for our full review in the coming days. If you have any questions or features that you want us to cover in our full review, let us know in the comments section below. For the meantime, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rael, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.